And this time it's a sniper rifle, not from Halo. Here, sniper rifle. See? A long tube, or something, what do you call it? Don't know. Adjustable scope. Goes forward and back. There's a sort of rotating thingy for the scope. See the scope here? The target not very accurate though. Yeah. A magazine here can be taken out. No bullets. Sorry. You can shoot, but it doesn't shoot that well. Let's see if I can grab a bullet. And simply tuck the magazine in and out very easily with a very bouncy spring. There. And now I grab a bullet. So yeah, I got an ammo. One bullet. Sniper. If you're wondering why I put a pillow right there, it's because my computer's right on the slide and just in case it falls down. So yeah, I'll show you how to shoot it. Oh, first I'm showing you the reload. Take the tube out. Magazine. Spring. Put it up. Get the tube. And shift it in. Few easy steps. After that, we'll shoot it. Might take some time for me to aim. And it shot. It went here. Let's see if I can get it there first. The computer's heavy. Went. Ow! It went over there. See the white blot thing from where I was standing? Here. It shot over there. There. The far white dot thing. Not that. Okay, that dot. Right there. Very far away. Shoots pretty well. Sniper rifle. Sniper rifle.